Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Google on OS 5. First, let's identify the primary method for accessing web services on your device. Most operating systems, including OS 5, come with a built-in web browser. You'll want to locate this application, which often has an icon resembling a globe or a compass. Once opened, you can directly navigate to Google's website. This is typically the quickest and most straightforward way to begin using Google Search and other web-based services. To access Google via your browser, simply open the web browser application on your OS 5 device. In the address bar, which is usually at the top of the screen, type google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, you can bookmark it for easy future access, perhaps by tapping a star or heart icon. For even greater convenience, consider setting Google as your browser's default homepage in the settings menu, ensuring it loads every time you open the browser. Many operating systems offer dedicated app stores. If OS 5 has one, search for official Google applications like Google Search, Gmail, Google Maps, or YouTube. These apps often provide a more integrated and optimized experience compared to browser access. Simply download and install the apps you need. After installation, open them and sign in with your Google account to unlock all features, personalize your experience, and sync your data across devices. If you encounter any difficulties, first ensure your OS 5 device has a strong and stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve loading issues. This option is usually found in the browser's settings. Keeping your OS 5 updated to its latest version can also improve compatibility and performance. For persistent problems, consult the official OS 5 support documentation or community forums for specific guidance tailored to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.